Hello, my name is Erik. I'm a hardware and software developer. I would like to make some small videos sharing my knowledge. My main language is Danish. I just upgraded my PC to Debian 12 KDE. I've been running Debian since 2019. Before that I was running Windows 7. I can show you my system. It's a Debian 12 bookworm with a KDE desktop, Numix theme and an i5 12400 CPU. The desktop I have two widgets, a weather widget and a finance widget. The start menu is a Windows 7 style with Numix theme. I have a database browser for SQLite, Qt Creator for doing applications, STM32 Cube IDE for doing microprocessors, and VS Code for editing my homepage. I also have FreeCAD and GIMP and GenView for showing images, ImageMagick for converting images, Inkscape for doing drawings for documents, and Sweet Home 3D for drawing my house. Internet, I have Firefox as browser. Multimedia, Kdenlive for editing video, Dragon Player for playing video. I also have VLC Player and OBS Studio for making videos. This is an internet video I made myself in Qt Creator. There's an Office pack on the PC, LibreOffice. That's that. Then I want to show you my hard disk. It's a standard Linux system. All these directories, actually the only one you need to know is the home folder. All the other you will learn over time, it's for the system. It had taken me 5 years to figure it out. In the home folder there is my user folder, and that's like the one you have on Windows. There's also some hidden files for all the settings. If you move all these over on a new Linux machine, you can move all your settings. I added 3 folders to the home folder. A data folder, I also had that on Windows. I just moved it over on Linux and shared it by Samba Share so I can access it from other PCs and virtual machines. I have Word folder, it's for the virtual machine for running Windows 7. Here's a QCOW2 image file for Windows 7, 26 GB. And I have a Wine folder for all my Wine prefixes. Then I will show you my old Windows 7. I'm using Windows 7 for running my label printer, and I have a part list program I developed myself in .NET. You can also access the data folder from the Samba share in here. Then I will show you my home page. If you click on the penguin, I have described my server here. You can read everything about it if you want. I also have an older version of my old machine running Debian 10, where I run the XFCE desktop first. My homepage is running in a software called PM2. I have an accounting software and my homepage. The homepage is developed in Node.js and is managed by Certbot and Let's Encrypt for HTTPS. Have a nice day.